Hi, and welcome back to the MnREIA. In today's property walkthrough tip, we're going to look over how to list your home more effectively in today's market. Right now, we're in a seller's market, which means there are more buyers than homes for sale. The prices of homes have been going up consistently for the past few months as lumber and home inventory has gone down. Today, we're going to hear from Mike about an effective way to get more eyes on your listing.
We're going to be pushing, try to get, now, one thing, did you guys notice the prices on here? What these listing prices compared to sold prices are?
It's they're lower.
Yeah. Okay. And I'm going to tell you, list a property for less than what you think that you're truly going to get, and you'll get more than you would have expected to get. Yes, but if you think, if you're thinking 220 and you list it at 220 or maybe in 229.9. Now, by the time you list it, it might be worth 270. I mean 370. Who knows?
Right. It's crazy.
But in this type of a market right now, undervalue your listing will get you maximum value for the property because it will create a bidding war.
Right.
In these hot markets, you want as many people looking at it, and they'll bid the prices up. Now, it could backfire on you because you could end up taking a higher offer. The one thing you got to make sure if they start getting too high, you got to make sure they're guaranteed offers.
Right.
That they're not contingent on the appraisal or anything like that.
Right.
As Mike said, it may be best for you to undervalue your home on the market to get more eyes on the property, which may create a bidding war on your property. This may cause an issue with some of your higher offers not being guaranteed.